Sige, next. This one. This is degrees, minutes, and seconds. Sa surveying, maraming measurements doon na gumagamit ng units smaller than degrees. So, how you express that would be ito, yung degrees, minutes, seconds. Paano siya gamitin? Kunyari, gusto natin ng 61 degrees, 50 minutes, 45 seconds. Yan. Ganito ang notation natin. And yun yung ibabalik ng calculator nyo. Pwede rin kayo mag-perform ng addition. So, plus, let's say, 45 degrees. Yan. Kahit na incomplete yung pangalawan yung term, pwede pa rin niyang i-add silang dalawa. Okay? Next, itong p-fact. Yan. P-fact means prime factorization. Okay? So, for example, gusto nyong kunin yung prime factorization ng 9,000. Yan. 9,000, just press 9,000 and then equals, then press shift, then p-fact. Yan. Okay. Prime factorization ng 9,000 is 2 cubed times 3 squared times 5 cubed. So, as far as I know, canon lang yung may function na ganito. Wala nito yung Casio 991 ES+. Okay? Next, we have ito hype, which just means hyperbolic. So, pwede nyo itong gamitin to use hyperbolic sine, cosine, or tangent functions. Pero, I think hindi naman ito ginagamit masyado sa civil engineering. Try lang natin yan. Meron tayong hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cosine, and even yung mga inverse hyperbolic trig functions. Next is ito, sine, cosine, tangent. Yung 3 basic na trig functions na meron tayo. Okay? I think self-explanatory na ito kapag engineering naman kayo. Kaya, yun, pahapyawan lang natin siya. Yung shift function naman nila is yung inverse. So, inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent. Okay, next. Ito, store at recall, na explain ko na kanina. So, skip na natin yan. Itong absolute value. Okay, absolute value, again, just gives you the absolute value of a number. So, absolute value ng 9 or absolute value ng -9, yan. Yan yung gamit ng button na yan. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.